Hi! In front of me is ZTE Blade A72S, and today I would like to show you how you can manage autocorrection. You need to begin by opening Devices Settings and scrolling all the way down. When you're ready, click on System and Update. Now tap on Languages and Input, On-Screen Keyboard, and Gbird. Lastly, just click on Text Correction and tap on this switcher next to Autocorrection. This way you're turned off or on. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!